Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today, we will be exploring decision making, an essential aspect of management. Decision making is a vital cog in the wheel of business success, and our goal today is to help you understand its various facets. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of decision making styles, steps, tools, and their impact on strategic management, risk management, team morale, and much more. So, let's dive in. 1. Understanding the role of decision making in management. First and foremost, let's understand the role of decision making in management. Decision making is the heart of a manager's tasks. Whether it's hiring a new employee, launching a new product, or investing in new technology, every managerial action is a result of a decision-making process. Therefore, understanding the essence of decision-making can significantly contribute to efficient and successful management. 2. The different styles of decision-making in a managerial context. Next, we explore the different styles of decision-making in a managerial context. Some managers might be autocratic, making decisions independently, while others might be democratic, involving team members in the decision-making process. Consensus decision-making. This involves getting agreement from the entire team before a decision is made. While this style can increase team unity and commitment, it may be impractical for larger teams or time-sensitive decisions. Understanding these styles and their respective pros and cons can help in adapting to different managerial scenarios and teams. 3. The essential steps involved in the decision-making process. Onward to the essential steps involved in a decision-making process. This involves identifying the problem, gathering information, identifying alternatives, weighing these alternatives against each other, making the decision, and finally, evaluating the decision. Remember, a well-structured decision-making process can drastically enhance the quality of the decisions made. 4. The crucial role of information and data in decision-making. We now focus on the crucial role of information and data in decision-making. In the modern business landscape, data-driven decision-making is increasingly becoming the norm. Managers who leverage data and analytics can make more informed, accurate, and strategic decisions. 5. How decision-making can influence strategic management. Aligning actions with vision. Every strategic plan begins with a vision, and it's the decisions made by managers that align actions with this vision. The right decisions can put a company on the right path towards achieving its strategic goals. Resource allocation. Decisions are critical in determining how to allocate resources effectively, a fundamental part of strategic management. Here, decision-making helps in prioritizing projects, assigning personnel, and designating budgets. Adapting to changes. The business world is fluid, and strategic plans often need adjustments. Decisions made based on changes in the market, competition, or internal factors can significantly impact the direction of strategic management. 6. The link between decision-making and risk management. Let's now delve into the link between decision-making and risk management. Every decision comes with a degree of risk. Effective decision-making involves identifying, assessing, and managing these risks to ensure the best possible outcomes. 7. Ethical considerations in managerial decision-making. We examine the ethical considerations in managerial decision-making. A manager's decisions should always adhere to ethical standards and promote a culture of integrity within the organization. Honesty. Is the decision truthful and transparent? Fairness. Does the decision treat everyone involved equally and justly? Respect. Does the decision respect the rights and dignity of all involved? 8. The impact of decision-making on team performance and morale. Coming up, we see how decision-making impacts team performance and morale. The right decisions can inspire teams, foster collaboration, and drive productivity. 9. Utilizing effective decision-making tools in management. In this part, we will talk about the effective decision-making tools in management. These tools can simplify complex decisions, save time, and improve the overall decision-making process. Tools such as SWOT analysis, decision matrix, decision trees, cause and effect analysis. 10. Case studies. Successful decision-making in high-performance organizations. Renowned for its data-driven decision-making approach, Google is a true testament to the power of informed decision-making. The tech giant makes use of its vast data resources to make strategic decisions, a practice that has been instrumental in keeping the company at the helm of the tech industry. Apple's decision-making process is deeply rooted in innovation. The company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology has led to groundbreaking products that have revolutionized the tech world. Steve Jobs' bold decision to develop the iPhone is a classic example of this. A stellar example in the airline industry, Southwest Airlines attributes much of its success to its employee-first decision-making approach. The company believes that happy employees lead to happy customers, and makes strategic decisions accordingly. I hope this video was helpful and gave you a better understanding of the complexity and importance of decision-making in management. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, the right decisions can take your business to the next level. Thank you all for watching, and let's continue learning.